Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer named Raj. Raj worked very hard every day, but he didn't have much money. Even though his life was simple, Raj was always happy and had a big smile on his face. Every morning, Raj woke up early, thanked the sun, and went to his fields. He loved growing vegetables and taking care of his animals. One day, his neighbor Raju asked him, "Raj, you work so hard, but you are always happy. Why?" Raj smiled and said, "I find joy in small things. I love the sunrise, the singing birds, and the feeling of the soil in my hands. I am grateful for what I have, even if it's not much." Raju asked, "But don't you wish you had more money and a bigger house?" Raj shook his head and said, "Happiness doesn't come from having many things. It comes from appreciating what you have and finding joy in everyday moments. I have my health, my family, and my farm. That is enough to make me happy." From that day on, Raju started noticing the little things that made him happy. He learned that true happiness comes from inside, not from having lots of things. He began to appreciate the simple joys of life, just like Raj. Moral of the story: happiness is found in appreciating the small things in life and being grateful for what we have. True happiness comes from within, not from material possessions. Lessons to apply in our lives. 1. Find joy in small things. Like Raj, we should appreciate simple pleasures, such as a beautiful sunrise or a bird's song. 2. Be grateful. Even if we don't have much, we should be thankful for what we do have, which can bring us happiness. 3. Stay positive. Focus on the good things in life rather than what we lack. 4. Value non-material things. True happiness isn't about having a lot of money or things, but about love, health, family, and inner joy. 5. Enjoy everyday moments. Embrace each day with enthusiasm and find joy in daily activities, whether working, playing, or spending time with loved ones.